Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use your browser or Google Play Store on Oppo A16s. So first let's try downloading something from our Google Play Store. Here let's select this app for example and click install. Now it changes into the banning mode and won't begin the actual download. Let's cancel it for now and move to Google Chrome. Here we have the website already open, but let's refresh it or open any other. And there's a problem. To fix both of these issues, we'll need to go for our settings. Go all the way down till you see the system. Then date and time, and set time automatically. If you go back to your Google Chrome, it should work fine now. Yep. And the same is with Google Play Store, so we can install the game. And now it should begin actual download. Yeah. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.